Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video I bring some new and latest collection of different giant paper flower ideas for my viewers, as these are unique ideas that can be used for different home decorations and can also be used for different events. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this collection. In this video, I bring some new and latest collection of different giant flower paper ideas, as these are some new and unique ideas I bring for my viewers. You can create these sort of creative craft ideas by using your creative skills. As you have seen in this video, these are some new and unique and elegant collection of different paper flowers. With a simple colorful paper you can create these sort of ideas, and different flower shapes can also be created with these sort of ideas. These ideas can be used at any place, whether to create them on a wedding event, can be used for home decoration ideas. It can also be used for a different corner piece for your home decorations. As you have seen in this video, you can also use these giant paper flowers for different backdrop paper decoration, flower decoration ideas. And nowadays in different shopping malls you can see these sort of ideas creating with the different colorful craft papers. You can use these sort of ideas. Viewers, you can also use these sort of ideas in different wall decorations or different events. You can use these sort of ideas to create these sort of ideas for different theme weddings. And you can also use these ideas on different school events or functions. You can use different colorful combinations for these paper flowers, as I will bring some new and creative collection with the different colorful paper flowers. You can create different roses through it, and different tulips can also be created with these ideas. I hope you will love this collection, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest collection or ideas for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section. I will fulfill all your mentioned requests. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries. Viewers, I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please share it on different social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and encourages me to bring latest collection for you. So keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.